Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. Today we are going to draw a girl. It's Indian or Bangladeshi traditional Deshi girl wearing a traditional dress. It's called Lehanga in local language. So for the drawing, let's begin from the top. First we draw a small circle like this. As you see, it's very easy. On top of it, we can draw a bigger circle like this. So it starts from the middle of the small circle and ends to the other middle side of the small circle. Then let's extend a line like this and another line like this. Then we have a little extension here for the hands, another extension here. All right, let's draw another half circle like this here. Another line we can draw here for the dress. As we see the girl from the back, it's the drawing of a blouse I'm drawing. It's the parts of the dress. This part of the dress is used to wear on the upper side of the body. Then I'm drawing the waist, and this stuff of the lehanga, this acts like a belt on the waist so that the skirt, it's quite long, it doesn't fall. Now we can draw a straight line like this to the bottom of the face. It ends here. Another line we are going to draw. Let's put a gap here. Then we extend. It's like the mirror of the previous drawing and ends up here. Then we connect this point. We are going to draw a pattern like a wave. Wave ends here. Then let's draw another wave on top of it, parallel to the previous one, and this also ends here. For the orna, it's called orna in local language. So a long cloth that used to decorate the ornamentation of the dress, or it adds beauty to the collection of the dress or to the fashion. We can draw this one at the bottom. Let's draw few parallel lines in between these two lines. This is the one, and we can draw the other one like this. Okay, all of this ends here. Now we are going to work on the left hand. As you see here, we connect it in this point. Let's draw another hand like here and connect hands like this. For the right hand, we extend another parallel line like this. Then we draw the hand to the upwards direction, other side of the drawing, and we are going to draw the fingers like this. So this is the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So total 5 fingers. Nice and easy. You can follow the steps. The drawing is not so complicated. It's very easy. Now we are going to put some shades to the wrinkled part of the dress. As you know, when we wear the dress, some places we got the wrinkles. So as you see that 5 wrinkles here, let's put 5 wrinkles in the bottom part of the dress. All right, wrinkles goes up to the ends point here. Now let's rotate the drawing a little bit and extend the wrinkles up to the top. Alright, so this is the beauty of the drawing. This is almost done. As you can see that it's a small piece of paper I'm moving on. Let's put a line like this in the middle and another line here like the middle. It's the shades at the back of the girl. Now we are going to draw the shades of the hair, going to do the details. For this, let's put the shades like this. As you see that I'm moving fast, the tip of the pen, and I'm going to draw the hair of the girl like this. As you know, for the beautification of the drawing and for the most perfection, you need to put it a time. You need to give it a time. You need to have patience. Do your work at your own pace. Don't do anything faster. It can damage the quality of the drawing. So when you draw, have your own time. Have patience. Do your steps step by step. Put the shades in most realistic way. So the more you put on the time on your work, the drawing is going to be more realistic. In this way we are going to have a very nice drawing. See, now we can see that the hair is looking beautiful from the back side. Now we are going to draw a square in the middle here and extend the each edge of the corner here like this. It's like a rotation of the square, and let's put a shades like this. All right, now we can draw a uniform shades all over the circle. So the small circle is done. Okay, so we're going to the next part. Now we're going to work on the shoulder. So let's put shades like this on the shoulder. All right, because of the shades, the drawing is looking more realistic. As you know, when you put the shades on the drawing, you have to observe the location of the light position. So if the light is on the right side, so the shades on the body will be on the left side. That's why when we draw the left side, we start drawing from the edge, and the deeper or the darkest drawing is on the left side. So as we start drawing from the border, the drawing is deeper, and as we move to the center point to the other side, the drawing becomes lighter. So this is the only one rule in case of shading. Now let's see the drawing. It's in progress. All right, keep on watching. Don't miss any stage. If you miss any stage, maybe you miss something you really need to make your draw perfect. Okay, so as you see that the drawing is becoming more alive, we are giving it a time. Don't do hurry in case of shading, because it's the detailing you need most to make the draw or the drawing looks more realistic. Now we are moving to the hands of the right hand side. Okay, so as you see, the shading is almost done here. Now we are doing the bottom part. All right, so this part, as you know, I told you earlier, as it works like the beard, so there are lots of wrinkles because of the closed rubber which is used to tighten the body parts here. Now we can put a deep shade along this waistline. Okay, now let's make it deeper along the top part of the lehenga. It's the name of the local dress. I'm using pen because it's make the darker shade in case of freehand drawing, so the sketch looks more clear. And if you can draw, you can draw using any medium, so it's not necessary that every time you have to draw using the same elements. You can have different tools. You can practice on different tools that make you experienced in working. All right, so left part is complete. Now we're going to do the right part. Okay, now one thing we missed, but we are going to fill up now. You can see that the handle from here, the other part of the cloth is like here. After down here, we draw another line parallel to the previous one and draw the extension from the previous one. Let's draw another line like this and extend it up to here and connect it here. This extension is ends up here. All right, now we can put something like a chain at the bottom part. It's a part of the ornamentation. You can draw like this. Let's do the same thing for the right side of the drawing. You can draw like this. Okay, so let's keep on the shading. As you have seen, we did it previous. Let's keep on it at the bottom. As you can see that I'm going to fill up each segment in the same way as I have started from the beginning. So this is the third segment. I'm doing the same thing for the fourth segment, and we have few segments like the same thing. So it's the repetition of the each type of shading as you're observing here. All right, the drawing is in progress. Stay tuned, watch the whole video, don't miss any steps. Then you are going to draw very nice drawing. All right, so the shades, it's come to the ends like this at the down part of the dress. Okay, let's put few shades like here, like this, few shades like this. All right, now we are going to put little color to make the drawing more amazing. Let's put the pink color on the dress. We're going to fill up the whole segment here like this. We're putting the color in a steady way, nothing to hurry. All right. Also the waistline, it's going to be pink like this. The purple color we're going to put for the down part of the dress. Now you can see that the drawing is almost complete, so little bit shading is done and little more is yet to be done. And we can put again the pink color for this part. Alright, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. So if you like it, please subscribe the channel, share with other peoples, and stay tuned with the Blue Hand Drawings channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Until then, stay alive, stay healthy, and stay fine. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.